In today's blog by the Texas Authors Institute of History, we talk about navigating the metaverse, paradigm shift in the publishing world. The digital landscape has undergone significant transformations over the years, and the latest frontier on the horizon is the metaverse. As technology continues to evolve, so does the way we consume and interact with content. In this blog post, we'll explore the potential impact of the metaverse on the publishing world and how it is poised to revolutionize the way we create, share, and experience content. Understanding the metaverse. The metaverse refers to a collective virtual shared space that is created by the convergence of physical and virtual reality. It is not a single, centralized entity, but a network of interconnected virtual spaces where users can engage with digital content and interact with each other in real time. This immersive and interactive environment is shaping up to be the next big leap in the evolution of the internet. Changing dynamics of content creation. In the traditional publishing world, content creation has primarily been a one-way street, with authors producing content and readers consuming it. The metaverse, however, blurs these lines by offering a dynamic and participatory platform. Content creators can now engage with their audience in real time, fostering a more interactive and collaborative creative process. This shift opens up new possibilities for storytelling, allowing users to actively shape the narrative and become co-creators of the content they consume. Virtual bookshelves and libraries. Imagine stepping into a virtual library where books come to life, and readers can explore literary worlds in a three-dimensional space. The metaverse has the potential to transform how we perceive and access literature. Virtual bookshelves could house digital copies of books, allowing users to interact with the content in innovative ways, such as immersive reading experiences or book clubs conducted in virtual spaces. Expanding distribution channels. The metaverse introduces new distribution channels for publishers and authors. Virtual book launches, author meet and greets, and interactive book readings could become common occurrences in this digital realm. Publishers may find themselves exploring partnerships with virtual platforms to reach a wider audience, transcending geographical boundaries and time zones.
Enhanced multimedia experiences.
Traditional publishing often limits content to text and static images. In the metaverse, content can come to life through augmented reality, AR, and virtual reality, VR, technologies. Imagine reading a book where characters and scenes materialize in front of you, or exploring an interactive map of a fictional world. The metaverse enriches the reading experience by adding layers of multimedia elements, making storytelling more engaging and immersive. Challenges and considerations. While the metaverse holds tremendous promise, it also poses challenges. Privacy concerns, content moderation, and the need for robust infrastructure are some of the issues that need careful consideration. As the publishing world navigates this uncharted territory, collaboration between stakeholders, including tech developers, publishers, and regulatory bodies, will be crucial in shaping a responsible and sustainable metaverse. The metaverse is not just a buzzword. It's a paradigm shift that has the potential to redefine how we consume and engage with content. In the publishing world, embracing the possibilities of the metaverse opens up new avenues for creativity, collaboration, and immersive storytelling. As we step into this virtual frontier, the future of publishing looks both exciting and transformative. You can learn more about Top 10 Ways Authors Can Embrace the Metaverse by B Alan Bourgeois.